Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today I am actually co-hosting a collaboration with my sweet friend Carol at Inspiredby. We are showcasing our favorite space. This is my favorite space. So if you stay tuned to the end, you will see another favorite space that I really like to enjoy too that is actually outside of my home. But I really do love my living room area. It's coming together so cute. I love my fireplace. It turned out so pretty. And so this is my front door. This is what you see when you walk in my front door. My little console table, and it's pretty much, it's ready for the summer right now. So also what I like about it is my patio is just literally like a few steps away. So once you go out there, it's like a whole other extension of the living room. So eventually I'd like to get some French doors, but as you can see, there's actually, for being such a tiny condo, which is only like 733 square feet, there's actually some room to entertain. And I really, people like to come over here and hang out and enjoy good food, and you know, we always have our music blasting and everything like that. As you can see, it's a little bit of a windy day. My umbrella's dancing up there. And so yeah, this is one of my favorite spaces in my condo area. And so here is just my shelving unit, my the chair that I just recently painted, my couch I just recently picked up from Wayfair, and of course I have all my friends around me. My puppies are all over the place, and this is where I like to sit and just chill out and watch, you know, my YouTube videos. Watch all my friends. I have my friend Carol at Inspiredby. She's up there right now watching her videos, and this is just one of my favorite spaces. So like I said, stay tuned to the end, and for everybody that participated, I really appreciate it. I cannot wait to watch everybody's videos. I'm really looking forward to this. This has just been really fun, and no cost. I like that. And of course, we would love for you to like and subscribe to our channel, and I really hope that you enjoyed, and let me know in the comments below what you think of my little favorite space, as well as my little bonus favorite space. So thank you so much for watching.